this video, I'll be showing you how to upload partial objects to RSTOR Space using the AWS CLI. First, I'm going to make a sample file using this Python command. It'll fill it with zeros. Now we're going to put this object into our RSTOR Space bucket and store the E tag. Next, we're going to update the file locally and change it. Once we've done this, we're going to check the MD5 sum for reference later. With our next command, we're going to initiate the multipart upload using the AWS CLI. We do this in order to obtain an upload ID that we can use for our next commands. Next, we're going to split the original file up into two parts so that we can just upload the second part to the bucket. Once it's split, we're going to use the AWS CLI to stage a multipart upload and label them with part numbers. We will now upload the first part from our recently split files and use another command to associate the second part of our original file on RSTOR Space to be a reference as a second part to our newly uploaded file. Doing this allows users to just have the modified part uploaded instead of uploading the whole file again. Finally, we're going to pull the file back down with a new file name. Now that we have the new file pulled back down to us, we can MD5 sum both our originally modified file and the one we put onto RSTOR Space. As you'll see, their MD5 sums are the same. If you have any other questions, please refer to our user guide.